On senior day, in front of a sold-out Gamble crowd, the UConn women's basketball team looked to capture their 6th consecutive AAC regular season title as they faced off against Houston. They also honored some of their seniors and prestigious alum. The senior day festivities kicked off with the honoring of UConn's greatest scoring duo in Katie Lou Samuelson and Napheesa Collier. The two have combined for 4,457 points in their 4 years at Storrs, and they look to add to their elite totals one last time at Gamble. Collier got off to a hot start as the Huskies tried to battle back after falling in an early hole. Katie Lou went down late in the second quarter with an apparent lower back injury. She attempted to give it a go in the second, but just was not able to.
Lou thought she could give it a shot in the second half, and obviously she couldn't. So we'll see tomorrow how she feels, and then we'll see Monday how she feels, and then we'll go from there.
With Lou down, Kristen Williams, Crystal Dangerfield, and Napheesa Collier stepped up big for the Huskies, with Crystal and Napheesa combining for 27 of the team's 43 second-half points. With this win, the Huskies would clinch their 6th straight AAC Conference regular season title, making these seniors a perfect 4 for 4. This isn't goodbye for the beloved seniors, as the Huskies will travel down to Tampa to face off USF in their final regular season matchup before conference play starts.